So hello everyone, good morning everybody. Today I am going to discuss about WKWebView in iOS, WKWebView in Swift. And what is WKWebView? An object that displays interactive web content, such as for an app browser. So okay, now let's create on this example. So create on the instance on WKWebView. Firstly, important is the WebKit. First of all, we are import a WebKit. Okay. Now second, create on the instance let WKWebView. Notice that this is a var WKWebView, and which is type of WKWebView. Okay. Sorry, WKWebView. Okay. Now we are going to create an instance WKWebView is equal to WKWebView instance. Okay. Last navigation exposure. Okay. So now let's create on this WKWebView. So WKWebView create on the instance. Notice the WKWebView create in the instance. So self view dot add sub WKWebView and WKWebView translate mask constraint is equal to false, and as layout constraint dot activate WKWebView. We're gonna apply the constant on a WKWebView. WKWebView left anchor constant equal to WKWebView right anchor constant equal to self dot view right anchor. Okay. Now add on the WKWebView. So before whichever WKWebView, we're gonna apply the constant. So WKWebView left anchor equal to self dot view left anchor, WKWebView right anchor self dot view dot right anchor, and WKWebView top anchor and WKWebView bottom anchor equal to view dot bottom anchor. Sorry, view dot safe area layout of bottom anchor. Okay. Add on this constant is complete, and we're gonna create on this URL. So let URL is equal to URL which is established in www.google.com, and which have a WKWebView which have a method load by using URL load. Okay. WKWebView.load URL and WKWebView allow testing interface. Okay. Now we're gonna run on this applications and manage storyboard. So this is the WKWebView assigned the class WKWebView, and this is the initial view control. We're gonna run this applications WKWebView. An object that displays interactive web content such as for an app browser. Okay, Google. Okay, suppose we have change on this www.apple.com. Okay. Now we're gonna run this application apple.com. Sure. Wrong address. Suppose we have a wrong address www.apple. Now we're gonna run this application Apple website. An object that displays interactive web content. Now we're gonna open on this Apple website. So this is it. Open on this website. Okay. So what is WKWebView? An object that displays interactive web content such as for an app browser. Okay.